You know what time it is. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. It's the last day of the month, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. We got non-farm on Friday. We got retail sales tomorrow. We had JOLTS today and Chicago PMI. And then you got Iran. It's a lot going on, guys. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're, shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Welcome back to another episode of the Infinity Show. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Ay. All right, guys, we're back. I've been busy, guys, but we're back. I have been busy. All right, let me just go ahead and screenshot this. This will help me out. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Two hidden. Oh yeah, let me move these guys down. Better day today, man. The Bears have been giving me a run for my money, man. It's been crazy. I've been fighting the overall trend and I've been paying for it. But we're here, man. Back in the mix. The Bears have been tearing me up, though. It's been crazy. But we here. Dev Trades, what's the word? Shout out to Dev Trades in the building. YouTube is making a bunch of changes. I'm like in my studio, like changing things up, doing the research. It's been crazy, man. I know they have hype. Now you can, I think you've been able to do that, but how does that work? How do I do that? I forget how to do it, but it's somewhere next to the like button. Dev Trades, what's the word? Man, I've been busy, man. Fourth quarter, almost the end of first quarter. I've been trying to get trades in, but I've been busy on the outside. Got a family business going on, so it gets busy. It definitely gets busy. And then we got a staff, so it's like, managing the staff and trying to trade. So yeah, but we here, man. Dev Trade says, I tried to get you to come trade with us not too long ago. Where? For real? I came to DC a while back and went crazy out. For real? When was this? Did you send me a message or something? On Discord? Maybe I missed it. Shout out to Devin B210 in the building. For real? You had a squad out there? Trading squad in the Discord. I sent you an invite on Discord. For real? I didn't see anything. Hold on, I'm about to open this up right now. Do invites expire? I didn't see that at all because I don't have it. It's not connected to my phone. Dang, my bad. If I had some time, I definitely would have been out there with y'all. That's actually something I'm trying to like figure out how to do with the Discord. Just have everybody in the room, have like a boiler room. It'd probably expire, okay. Does it come through on a message? Let me see, hold on, I'm about to check this right now. Yeah, I'm tripping. If I would have saw that, and I had some time, I would have joined y'all for real. Pending online. I don't know. Message request? Huh. Yeah, I don't know. You know what you can do next time? Send me like a direct message. Are we friends on here? Maybe I know I probably have some settings where nobody can. I have to like be your friend before I can. Let me see. Yo, Dev, I'm gonna send you a friend request on Discord. I thought we were already friends. Incoming friend request. Oh, what's it? Sent you a friend request? Yeah, that's probably what it was. Yeah, I do. My friend request, bro. It's like 100 people in that joint. You gotta just let me know. Just gotta let me know. But yeah, we locked in now. So whenever you do that again, let me know, man. Cause it's tough, man. Finding like people who are doing this game, that are playing this game, is real, man. Not everybody is playing it like we're playing it. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I'll send you a friend request on it. Okay, bet. Yeah, I just saw it. I accepted it. Shout out to Dev. Dev Trades in the building. Trading group in my boy birthday. Nice. What? Yeah, I missed it. Dang. When was this? March, February? Shout out to Looney 2. What's up, man? Looney 2 says, does your Discord have a voice channel where members can chat in the group while trading? Yes. So I have a channel, right? But I think it's only for, I think I have to like assign you to get in. But I'm trying to build that out to see how we can incorporate it. Like early, we were doing it, but I have to do it strategically, because sometimes we'll have like bots, we'll have like people in there that aren't supposed to be in there, messing up the flow. So we kind of have to filter how we do it. But I'm gonna figure something out just to give the Discord a little pop, so everybody can just jump in there and bounce ideas off of each other. I'm gonna figure it out. I just had to like revamp YouTube, man. Like there's a whole bunch of settings I had to like undo. Apparently they turn on settings that, like, with, I don't know why they do it, but they automatically turn on settings in your studio that you didn't know about, because they're testing things out. And if you do that, then it decreases your click-through rate and all this. It's a lot going on over there. So now I gotta just keep paying more attention to the channel, like the options and the tags in the background. So we'll figure it out. Yo, wild day today, man. This is my first like real clean day. Like I had a clean day today. Didn't rush anything. Took my time. That's what I've been doing lately, man. Just like, I don't know what it is, man. I've just been chasing. I've been jumping the gun. Like, I'm like, dog, I have to stick to the plan. Over trading, that's been shooting me. Yo. From being up 700 to being down 1,000, bro. That happened like a couple days ago. I was like, bro, what did I just do? What am I doing? Trying to be greedy. That's it. It's the greediness. But I'm working on it. That's an ongoing situation. Ongoing situation, man. And if I have something, like if I have a busy day, I'll try to like fit a trade in. Like, that has not been working. So yeah, I'm learning. I'm journaling. So I'm writing this stuff out. So we'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Dev B says, I gotta slide through. I'll catch up with you soon. Absolutely. Shout out to Devin B 210 in the building. Shout out to Looney 2. Looney 2 says, I'm loving this move up in the markets today. Yeah, same here. Nice, like, push. Rumors are, well, not rumors. People are, the Iran thing is going on. The president says he wants to end it, but only with guarantees. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. Shout out to everybody in the chat. But yeah, good day today. I didn't overdo it today. Thank goodness. I've just been rushing it, man. Like, why am I rushing? For what? Trust the process. Don't rush the process. Don't rush the process. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, speaking of that, let's see. Yo, Looney 2, do you think this is gonna hold? This feels like a dead cat bounce. And we do start a fresh monthly candles tomorrow. So is this the April bounce? We'll see. The Iran thing has been throwing a wrench in everything. All right, let me see. Task manager. Turn this Discord off. Sometimes the Discord can slow things down. Let me see. Discord. Oh, jeez. Hold on. Don't freeze. All right, let me see. Task. All right, cool. Let's see. Trying to make sure this thing is cool. Looney 2 says, you throwing around cats? Not familiar with that dead cat. Oh, no. Okay, so a dead cat bounce is what, quote unquote, is like, let's say we've been like in a vicious downtrend, right? And then all of a sudden we get a big green candle out of the blue. And then on the days after, that whole green candle gets eaten up and we continue to the downside. So it's basically a fake. It's a fake bounce. Put it that way. It gets everybody. Like excited. Oh, this is the bottom, and then in reality, it's a bear trap. I mean, a bull trap. Back to the downside. But we'll see. I like the bounce though. When the news came out about the war ending, we had a nice push up. Really nice push up. Everybody in the Discord was like, something's happening. I don't know what it is, but then we checked the news. And the news was like, the president of Iran was like, he wants to end the war, but there have to be guarantees in place. And I don't know how far apart they are, the US and Iran are, when it comes to the guarantees. So we'll see what happens. We are going to see what happens. Let's see. Let me check this too. 7 views. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Let me see. If you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream. We got 2 streams going. All right. I'm gonna just keep an eye on it. Let's see what happens. we're on for some power hour. Let's see. And we might get on again tonight. I've been busy, guys. That's why I haven't been on here. Shout out to Looney 2. Shout out to Dev Trades. Devin B210 in the building. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Slowly but surely. Let me see if this thing works itself out. If I do it after the thing starts. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a push into power hour, or do the Bears pull the rug again. Bulls look like they want to keep pressing higher. Got 10 minutes, fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. Fresh 1 hour, power hour. The last power hour of the quarter, ladies and gentlemen. The last power hour of the quarter. What is happening right here, bro? Yeah, they're making changes. I'm trying to figure out how this works. All right, let me see. No subscribers. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Quick stream. Just wanted to get back and touch base with you guys. But yeah, I've been busy, man. Busy trying to get things together. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Boom. Remove ads. Interesting. Let's do this one first. Bulls are moving. Let's see if we got any, I know we had like some, what do we have? save this, right? Save that, and then I can do NQ, NASDAQ. All right, cool.
Order filled.
Playing around with some old combines.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna just leave it on, see what happens. Fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. Really hot. Okay. There's a way to do it. How did I do top step? Forgot. Gotta like put a limit buy, limit order, limit buy. I think so, yeah. Limit buy. We got a fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. Let's see what the bulls want to do. Look like they want to sweep these highs again, day highs. We'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. Hype the video. Apparently you can hype the video. I think it's been there, but I don't know how this thing works in the algorithm. We'll see though. Watching to see if this 5 minute flips red. Are they pushing down from the highs? Find out. Couple more minutes, fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. I guess I gotta do this after. Well, it's all good. We'll do what we have to do. Kind of hanging out at day highs, watching to see if the bears want to defend into power hour, or do we get the continuation we're looking for? That would be like the 23,900. We'll see. Hey, Looney 2, you are hilarious. He said, "You throwing cats around? You throwing around cats? Not familiar with the cat bounce." Oh man, that was funny. Shout out to you guys, man. You guys always give me a good laugh. All right, let me see. Boom. All right, I guess it's working. Let's see. Switch. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, today, but good day today, man. Compared to the last couple of days, I've just been not on point. Not on point. Forcing trades is not fun, man. It's not. And then going green on the day and then turning it into a red day, that's not fun either. I just have to refine my rules. If I go up this much, I can't go red. I just have to deep dive on my rules again. When the rules aren't on par, then the fear and the greed, you can slowly push it out of your system. But if you haven't visited your strategy and your methodology from a psychological perspective and a mechanical perspective, like when you're actually in the play, like you constantly have to refine that. And sometimes, like for me being an example, like you kind of don't revisit your rules like that. You start to get cocky. You're like, oh, I got this. The rules are in the back of my mind. But if you don't revisit them every day, yeah, all it takes is one day to mess up, 1 or 2 or 3 days to mess up what you've been building. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, man, we're here. Hold on. Yeah, man. YouTube has been switching things up, and I went into the studio to figure out what was going on. So we'll see. We'll see if we see a change, some type of change. Shout out to Looney 2 in the building. Shout out to Devin B 210. Shout out to Apex Clippers. What's up, man? Shout out to the Mod Squad. Shout out to the Mod Squad. Apex Clipper says nice bounce for good. Yep. Nice bounce. We're about to see power hours coming in hot. We pop the top and then we pull back. Right now it looks like it wants to push. We'll see. Fresh 1 hour candle. You know it's going to probably try to sweep the high. Let's see if it can hold the high. That's the question. What time is it? Here we got 40 seconds. Let's see what happens. Do the bears hold the highs? Do the bulls blast through? About to find out. Uh-oh. Are we spinning it? What's the high? 876. Fresh 1 hour candle right here, guys. The last power hour of the quarter right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, here we go. That's your hourly open. That is your hourly open. He's so huge. Okay. Do the bulls sweep highs? About to find out. Ooh, here we go. They're trying it. Shouldn't this only be on one? I forgot how to, I think I can change the settings though. Cancel. There's a way to do this. Exact way. Team. Nice push. Fresh high of day. Almost. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna sweep it. Let's see if we can run the level. If they can run it, they got space to 900. Boom, there you go. Fresh high. Ooh, nasty reversal though. That's what you call a sweep, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see if the bulls can hold. That was a nasty drop though. That was like an instant 20-point drop. Ooh, look at that. Sweep high, pull the rug. Typical bear behavior. Let's see if they can hold. Somebody's slapping down from here. We'll see. Hold the line, bulls. We got 1 minute FEG in the 50s. I don't see anything on the 15. We do have FEG, another FEG in the 40s. That is 5 minute FEG. Bulls are trying to hold. Let's see. Somebody's slapping down from here. If we can't reclaim that new high soon, bears can take advantage. Sometimes you'll get a break, you'll get a break of day high, quick pullback, and then you'll see continuation ASAP. But if it struggles right here, if bulls can't print another high, okay, here we go. If they struggle at this level, bears can take advantage because this is a fresh 1 hour candle. So whoever pushes initially starts the candle off. So you can they're fighting for the beginning of the candle. Ooh. Somebody doesn't want that push to happen. Jeez. Let's see if the bulls can hold. Fresh day high on NQ 879. Bro, we really dipped below 23,000. That's crazy. We dipped hard. That's what I need to do. Why don't I just do that? Do these things? I don't think they expire. Big battle right here at day highs. Big battle. We got a big 4 hour FEG up above. Big 4 hour FEG. Ooh, they're spinning it. They're starting to spin it. they flip this 15-minute candle red, they're gonna pull this back a little bit. That's another thing I have to do. Try to line up top steps. EMAs, man. The EMAs on Top Step are different from the ones I have on Thinkorswim. Sometimes they're off. The VWAP is off sometimes. I'm like, what is happening? Shout out to everybody in the chat. Bruh. Hold on, what am I doing? Man, I can't wait to get a new computer, man. I want a gaming computer. I just want to see what the difference is going to be. It's going to be interesting. I'm sitting here playing with the old combine. This thing's already blown, but I use it for practice. Use it for practice, man. Playing down from the highs, watching to see if we get continuation. The only thing about, so I'm trying to get, I can do this on TradeObait. I figured out how to do this on TradeObait, trading off of the chart. But one thing I don't see are the actual dollar amounts. I can see the dollar amount. How else does it work? TP1 almost hit. Let's go. Hit it. Bang. That's one. I can move this puppy down. What is it? 1 minute? What's my 15 minute? Put that break even. Yeah, it's a little bit different. I need to see if I can adjust this too. This is an old combine. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Okay. Power hour is now. Oh, that's what's still, okay. Let me spruce this up real quick. Oh yeah, that's what it is. 845 is a monthly level. Slowly sneaking above it. midpoint of last week is 23,997. Call it 24K. So that's going to be a very interesting level. Maybe we sweep that level, but we'll see. Big green, a big daily candle though. Definitely a big green daily candle. We'll see. Oh, this daily FEG. Daily FEG in the 660s. Ooh, big bounce. Ooh, that was solid. That was a heck of a bounce. That 845 level is a monthly level. Look at that. We bounced right off of it. Flat and all. Yeah, bro. Like, monthly levels, monthly highs and lows, I keep those things around for like a year. Or nah, I keep those on my chart because you don't see them often. I keep the monthly charts on my monthly day high, monthly high, monthly low. Hold on one second.
Make sure the ones that are out, the ones that have like one.
All right, cool. And did he All right, cool. We're back. We're trying to get some technical difficulties fixed, but it's all good. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Here we go. Here we go. Trade over. Here we go. Okay. We got a couple more minutes. Power hours is moving, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see. I gotta figure this out. Tonight I'm gonna really test it. Maybe from like 5 p.m., 5:30 on. We'll see. All right. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. The bulls are slowly grinding up. We got a big 4-hour FVG up above. It's like above 24K for NQ. All right, man. Should I do this Discord thing? Get it over with? Yeah, let me do that. Get that over with. All right, I'm not leaving. I'm here. Let's see if I can type this up real quick. Oh boy. What was the total? It's pretty good, man. Needed this for sure. Power hour. Alright, that's good. Let's do it. Bada bing, bada boom. Go edit. How did that come through? I wonder. Alright, cool. Nice push. Bulls are holding the line to close the quarter. All right, man. We are here. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I go live. What is this? Is that the same person? I'm in. We're going to do an evening stream today, too. I got some time today. Let's go. How come this thing doesn't, let's see. Alright, cool. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading? What do you trade? Shout out to everybody in the chat. Let's see if this gathered anything. No, it did not. This thing did not. Whoa. That didn't work. I think. Very interesting. I'll see what else I can tweak. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? What's the little, isn't there like a, what's the hype thing? Let me see. How do you get to hype? Uh-oh. So you can like hype the, can you hype the stream or can you only do, huh? Or you can maybe hype the video after it's done? How does it work? Where does hype come into the equation? I gotta figure that out. Okay, let's see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Power hour, we got 30 minutes. 30 minutes left in the quarter. I wonder if this is going to be the actual bounce. We'll see. If they end the war, then that should give everything a pop. It's going to help with the... but we'll see. They say the war isn't going to last long, but every time they say that, they add another. It's interesting. That's what I could probably do. Yeah, I'm gonna figure something out where everybody can just jump in when they please. I'm gonna figure something out. Shout out to Looney Tube. Shout out to Devin B. 210. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yeah, dang. Fresh quarterly candles, fresh monthly candles start tomorrow. Those are some huge candles. It's going to be interesting. Passed an eval today at the open. It was suspect at first, but figured itself out. 1 minute FEGs. What I'm gonna go over tonight too is order blocks and breaker blocks. Breakers. The breaker. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Bowser Trades, what's up, man? How's everything going? Happy Tuesday, my friend. Bowser Trades says, I'm green, daily payout, take profit trader. Let's go. You can't beat those daily payouts, man. It's like having a personal account. I was talking to somebody that takes daily payouts. They're like, yeah, bro, you're less likely to go crazy. If it's 100 or 2, you better take it out. You don't have to build a buffer. You could just take that thing out, man. Bowser Trades, I gotta get on your level, man. I haven't experienced it yet, but I feel like once I do figure out take profit trader, it's gonna be addictive. Bowser Trades, how many pro accounts do you have? The max is like 5, right? I'm doing my research. I'm just trying to get Apex going, man. I want 20 accounts. At least 15. Just moving and grooving over here, then I can like figure some other props out. I'm trying to get back to how things were. Like Apex was my bread and butter, man. Clean. Apex and TOPSTEP. I gotta get back to at least weekly payouts. Half of the issue is stopping while I'm ahead. We're gonna work on it. Let's see how April pans out. We'll see how April pans out, man. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to the mod squad. Shout out to Bowser Trades. Take profit trader. Daily payouts, man. Can't beat it. Yo, it's like 80 degrees outside. Finally, the weather's starting to break. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We got MOC in 14 minutes. Market on close. Volume. Oh yeah, let me send this thing real quick. Bulls are holding the line, man. All right, cool. Sorry about that phone call. All right, we got 20 minutes left, guys. All right, we'll see. We'll see how this thing goes. 30 an hour. I don't know. We'll see how this afternoon goes. Shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys, man. We'll see how it goes into the afternoon. Nice push for the Bulls. Higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Ladies and gentlemen, into the close. This YouTube thing is a grind, man. It's definitely a grind. Fresh day highs again, guys. Bulls are holding nicely. Let's refine the rules. Let's refine the rules. Apex is doing another 90% sale, but the prices are going up, guys. The prices are going up. I think that's the second, right? Yeah. Bro, it's April already. This is insane. The year is already flying. The Bulls are pressing more and more and more. Nice push, man. Let's see if we can, we'll see what the war news is looking like to close the week. We have retail sales tomorrow. I think we got some S&P data. Then we got the big kahuna on Friday, non-farm payrolls. So that's going to be interesting. Yeah. Non-farm payrolls. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Happy Tuesday, man. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, say something. YouTube is switching this thing up, man. All right. Let's just see. Oh yeah, that too. We got MOC in 8 minutes. Let's see if the Bulls can spike up there to 24. Are we at 24? We're there, right? Basically, yeah. Well, 900, yeah. Let's see if they can sneak up real quick. We'll see. Sneak up to 24K. We'll see if they can do it. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Good old top stepper. Top step, yeah, big green candle for the daily. Huge. Big candle, man. Big candle. Let's see if they can they get to Friday's high? I'm watching that. Let's see if they can sneak up there. Friday's high is, that's Friday, right? 7th. Yeah, Friday's high is 23,976 on NQ. We're right there. That'll be interesting if they can push up there. But they do have some daily resistance, 90 MA resistance. So we'll see. Big green candles for the 4 hour. Big green candles, big 4 hour green candles. I don't think we've had 3 4-hour candles in a row to the upside in a long, it's been a minute. Dang. The last time we had 3 solid 4-hour candles to the upside was like the 9th. That's insane. That's the last time we had 3 solid green candles to the upside. I don't see anything else. We might have had like two piece, but what is this? Yeah, basically March, beginning of March. Then the rest of March, the Bears have just been having their way. So we'll see if this is dead cat bounce or do we get some continuation from here. All right, guys, we're gonna figure this out. We'll figure this out. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. Big green candle, wow. Yeah, big green candle. Monthly is still red, but we got fresh monthly candles tomorrow. That's gonna be interesting. Where are we at? This puppy right here. Wow. Little mini FEG on the daily, the monthly. But I think the monthly still has space down, in my opinion. Monthly FEG is like 22,200, 23,200, 23,500-ish. We'll see. If you're going from a monthly perspective, we're in between EMAs right now. So could we challenge the 9 again on the monthly? Possibly. That kind of aligns with the weekly. That's like in the 24,300s. We'll see. That's going to be a pivotal level. Because we can either at that point reclaim or get smashed back down. So it's going to be interesting. April is going to be interesting for sure. I call it the EMA shuffle. Oh, are they pushing? Oh, no, we're at 9:36. Let's see if they can get to Friday's high. Right now they're making their way. 2 more minutes and we have MOC. They might do it. It looks like they want to do it. Hold on. And then we have the midpoint of last week's range. That is basically 24K. So between here and 24K, we got space. Bulls are looking good. We'll see. 1 more minute, and we have MOC. Let's see if MOC can strike to the upside. We'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Looney 2. Shout out to Devin B 210. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. I think MOC's coming in hot. Let's see if they can reach for the 70s. We're right there. I think the Bulls can do it. See if they can reach for Friday's high. Friday's high is 876 or 976, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, 976. Nice push to close the quarter. Here we go, MOC right here. Whoa! MOC, man, never disappoints. Oh my gosh. Did they sweep it? Oh my gosh, look at that. That was insane. MOC never disappoints, man. Here and there you get a weak MOC, but that's what I'm talking about. The last 10 minutes of NY. Oh, we got up there, man. We got to 75. That also correlates with a 4-hour FEG up above. Look at that push. That was clean. Sometimes I chance the MOC candle. I'll put in like a micro or two, see what happens. I gotta be up on the day though, way up. Nice push, man. Heck of a day for the Bulls, man. So basically we got really, really close to Friday's high. What does it say on TOPSTEP? Watch, TOPSTEP's gonna have a different level. No, 975.25 day high. Heck of a push. The Bulls needed this bad. They needed this bad. Nice push. So yeah, we got some levels up above that could act as resistance. We'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We're gonna be back on tonight too. We're gonna do evening session. I haven't been on because I've been busy, guys. But we're on tonight. We are on tonight. All right. Yeah, I definitely gotta revamp my rules. It's about time. It's about time. All right, guys, we got a couple minutes left before the bell. The Bears were waiting at the summit. The Bulls reached for Friday's high. Basically got there, man. We got to 975. The Bears were waiting at the top. They were definitely waiting at Friday's high. They're slapping down now. Let's see how the last 5 minutes pan out. All right, man. Let's see, man. I need to go out and get some of this heat. It's nice and warm today. Thank goodness. Winter beat us up, man. Winter was not a game this year. Winter was not a game. Winter shut down everything for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. That was insane. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Fresh 5-minute candle. Looks like it's gonna be continuation. Hold on 1 second. All right, guys, the bell is coming. Nice push for the Bulls overall. Nice push. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Hype the video. I don't even know how you do it. How do you hype the video? Membership, gifting, there's a way to do it. I don't know how to do it. Can you do it with a live stream? I don't know. Maybe you have to, the hype comes after the video is done, I believe. We're getting some volatility, man, into the close, end of the quarter right here, guys. You know what? See if I can let me go look at NVIDIA real quick. I'm thinking about grabbing some leaps at some point. Might go option chain. Let's go. There's the bell, guys. Bing, 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 bing. Debating 200. It's basically still 250. I think I'm going for like the 250 call for March. 250 call for March on NVIDIA, possibly. We'll see. I still think we got a little bit of room down, but we'll see. Big daily candles to close the quarter. We'll see what happens tomorrow. All right, guys. Tonight, I'll be back on. I think I'll get on at like 6 or 7 Eastern time. We'll see. I'm about to knock a couple to-dos out, and then I'll be back on. Shout out to you guys. Peace and blessings. Discipline equals freedom, ladies and gentlemen. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. This is a marathon, not a sprint, ladies and gentlemen. Keep on going. You're going to fall during the journey. It's part of the game. It's part of the journey. You're going to fall. Accept it. Dust yourself off and keep on going, guys. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Base hits win the game. Take your time, guys. Bit by bit adds up. Happy Tuesday. Happy end of the quarter. Fresh quarter tomorrow. Non-farm on Friday. Retail sales tomorrow. Be good to yourselves. Be good to others, ladies and gentlemen. Be good to yourselves and be good to others. I'm going to catch you guys this evening. Peace. Be safe. Peace.